Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we're quickly checking out WLFI. What's going on with the price action here? Sitting at 22 cents, $5.57 billion market cap, which is of course very, very impressive. And we are consolidating quite nicely. So I know a lot of you guys are big bag holders of the WLFI token. And in general, I just want to talk about the price action, what's going on with it, and how far can this go? So, speaker alert, Donald Trump Jr., co-founder of WLFI, will be a featured keynote at the 2026 DC Blockchain Summit. Also speaking is our Chief Compliance Officer, Brandy Reynolds. But actually is also speaking, I realized, the Trump guys, Donald Trump Jr. as well. You can see here WLFI here, co-founder. Of course, Eric Trump too, the Trump brothers, Donald Trump's sons, are attending Token 2049 Singapore. So I will be going to that event, by the way. If anyone's going there, let me know, and we can also hang out, meet up, say hello to each other if you want to. But yeah, right now we can see WLFI. Obviously, it's down quite a bit on the on the month since its actual launch. But sometimes these ICOs and things, it's a game of fastest finger at the very, very beginning. So of course, we're looking at this where DeFi meets TradeFi, WLFI, and I just want to jump into some price action very, very quickly. You can see here we've got this beautiful symmetrical triangle here. And obviously from the inception of the token, it did fall from quite a high price. For some reason on this exchange, we've got a dollar on MEXC. But what's really going on right now, we can see this great consolidation for WLFI, but we are getting these rejections. And we're getting these rejections around the 23 cents region at the moment. We're starting to form a bit of a double top pattern, and this is exactly what we are seeing right here, which is the double top M shape, which is typically a bearish reversal pattern. So we might be threatening loss of 22 cents. We might come back a bit lower if we do see Bitcoin and the rest of the market also pull back this particular weekend. Now, I'm not talking about loads because it is quite stable already. The way it has been trading is pretty good, but we could be seeing 22.1, maybe a little bit of downside here for the WLFI token, only like 2% or so. It's actually trading really well, but we are seeing some volatility at the same time. You can see just, literally on the 17th of September, this thing was 20 cents. So it has also made a 10+% move pretty much over the last sort of 24 to 72 hours as well, guys. So at the moment, consolidation pattern is looking nice. So this is obviously where it's trading now. We don't have a lot of data. WLFI is still a very new token. So we are printing at the moment a green weekly candle, and hopefully we can close this candle in green, but we do have a lot of overhead resistance at the moment at 23.86. Obviously there was selling pressure here before on the 14th of September, as we can see illustrated by that particular candle, and the candle I'm talking about is right there. That's a lot of selling pressure, and we also are seeing the selling pressure again right here at the 23 cents region. So we need to break through this resistance in order to see the bulls carry the momentum, and like I say, break through those resistance regions, which is basically at 0.24 is a big area of resistance. You can also see here, looking at these candles, that diagonal slope of sell-off pressure, a lot of selling volume here for the WLFI token. But I do think maybe leading up to token 2049 and some of these major events, we'll see WLFI do well. And I also think because of the token 2049 event in October, just around the corner, I think people want this event to have a good sentiment. I think the market needs to be green around this sort of period because it's one of the biggest crypto events in the entire world, if not the biggest, next to the Dubai token 2049. So yeah, still bullish, and I still think this has potential to carry on going up in terms of its market capital. But do remember, only 24.59 billion coins are circulating. Guys, if you're trading cryptos, if you're buying crypto, make sure you're using KSEX. The link is down below. This is a no KYC, globally accessible exchange with the lowest fees in the market. This will help you save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over your crypto lifetime. You can see here the spot fees are 0% on maker and taker. The futures fees are just 0% on maker and 0.01% on the taker side of things, guys. So yeah, trading bonuses exist. Sign up down below and enjoy your trading journey with KSEX, which is one of my favorite exchanges at the time of making this particular video. I absolutely love it. I think it's brilliant. So guys, please do have a look at that. What else can we check out very quickly? We've got token 2049 happening soon. This is something pretty cool to keep your eyes on. By the way, you probably keep an eye on their Twitter if you're not going. Maybe they're live streaming some of the talks. You can see some of the top speakers going to the event. Vlad Tenney, you got Balaji, I'm not going to say that name, Tom Lee, Lando Norris, an F1 driver, and a bunch of other great people are also going to be going to this particular event. So it's very, very exciting indeed. You can see here Trump-backed World Liberty votes for token buybacks. The proposal seeks to create more value for long-term WLFI token holders while exploring additional protocol revenue sources for token buybacks. It says here US President Donald Trump backed crypto project WLF passed a governance proposal to reduce the supply and boost the value of its native cryptocurrency following its disappointing price performance since launch. So it has been pretty disappointing. It's not been the best, right? It's not been the absolute best at all, but they are doing things about this. Buybacks, maybe even burns, constricting the supply, making the token effectively more scarce at the same time. Guys, if you want to level up in your crypto game, have a look at my Discord channel, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We have 41.7k members, growing every single day. It's completely free to join, so please do have a look down below, like I say. And we'll also say, guys, the general chat is open for anyone that wants to come chat, hang out, share ideas, talk about the market and what's going on. We, of course, do have the VIP opportunities too. If you're someone that wants to get into early alphas, have over 500 trading signals every single month, long position signals, leverage signals, spot signals, and all the alphas, you can check out the Patreon down below and get supporting. This should hopefully help you grow in the crypto space and achieve your time, location, and financial freedom. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell. We'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching.